Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Xiaomi Camping Motorhome. A masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and innovation. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and intelligently designed living area that merges minimalistic aesthetics with functional luxury. The materials used throughout are top-tier, combining soft vegan leather seating, subtle ambient lighting, and high-grade composite wood panels. The living room features a large smart display screen that doubles as an infotainment hub, a premium surround sound system, and expansive panoramic windows to connect you with the outdoors. The kitchen is outfitted with modern appliances, a smart induction cooktop, a refrigerator with app-controlled cooling, and even a fold-out wine locker. The sleeping area features a queen-size bed, expandable to king configuration, with memory foam mattress and smart climate control. The ensuite bathroom uses compact, space-efficient layout, but includes a rainfall shower, smart mirror, and premium fixtures to ensure you don't compromise comfort even when on the go. Now moving to the exterior, the 2026 Xiaomi Camping Motorhome is a visual delight. With a sleek, aerodynamic profile and clean lines, it's clearly designed to reduce drag and enhance energy efficiency. Its exterior is coated with a self-healing metallic paint that helps resist minor scratches and dings. A wide, retractable solar awning extends to provide shade outdoors, while integrated solar panels on the roof help power onboard systems. The motorhome rides on bespoke alloy wheels bearing the Xiaomi Mi logo and features discreet yet stylish LED accent lighting along its edges. The chassis is engineered from lightweight aluminum and composite materials, striking a balance between strength and agility. Every detail, from the flush door handles to hidden storage compartments, is designed to make the motorhome both elegant and practical. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Xiaomi Camping Motorhome emphasizes electric hybrid efficiency without sacrificing power. It uses a state-of-the-art electric drivetrain coupled with a range extender generator module for longer trips. On pure electric mode, it offers a substantial driving range suitable for city use and moderate travel. In hybrid mode, it extends that range further. Its adaptive air suspension and torque vectoring system provide a smooth ride even on uneven roads. The motorhome integrates smart drive assist systems, 360-degree cameras, automated parking features, and obstacle detection, making it easier to maneuver in tight camping sites or urban environments. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Xiaomi Camping Motorhome, being a premium smart tech vehicle with bespoke features, commands a significant price. Starting price is approximately US $350,000. Not aimed at budget buyers, but for those who seek advanced technology, luxury, and sustainability in one package. That price reflects not only its refined design and electronics, but also the cost of integrating smart systems, drivetrain, and premium finishing. To sum up, the 2026 Xiaomi Camping Motorhome is an extraordinary blend of smart innovation, comfort, and eco-conscious performance. It offers a level of sophistication and adaptability that very few motorhomes currently deliver. Whether you're planning extended road trips or just want a mobile retreat packed with tech, the Xiaomi Camping Motorhome delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive and mobility excellence.